Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the decoder model and firmware version so you install a compatible package. Once done, plug a stable power source and make sure the decoder won't lose power mid-update. You copy the official firmware file to the root of a FAT32 USB drive. Do not rename it. Insert the USB into the correct port, then navigate immediately to the decoder's software update menu and choose USB Local Update so the process can start. You now execute the core update by selecting the USB Local Update option and confirming the firmware file. When prompted, verify the displayed checksum matches your expected value to avoid corrupted installs. Once you confirm, the decoder will backup settings if supported. Allow that to finish. Make sure you do not power off or remove the USB. Progress goes through file transfer, verification, and flashing stages. If prompts appear, choose Default or Recommended options to preserve channel lists. You finish by letting the decoder reboot after flashing. Once it boots, go to About or System Info to confirm the new firmware version. Then restore your backed up settings or perform a channel rescan to rebuild lists and EPG. If things work, monitor for stability for 10 minutes. If the update failed or the box is unresponsive, try a different FAT32 USB stick and re-download the official firmware. If still failing, perform a factory reset and repeat the USB update procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.